car, $10, and a stuffed animal named Twerp.
I'm just into him. Still going back. Where are you going? To use the bathroom. Is that okay? I don't know. Gonna use the bathroom. Pretty small, man. What? Where'd you come from? I'm a ghost, remember? Stupid battery came out of nowhere and hit me. What do you want? I don't know. You know, I have a strong feeling something's following me. Really? Yeah, it's pretty big and orange. Take a look behind you. I don't see anything. You don't see that big colossal thing? No, I don't. What am I supposed to be looking at? Alright, I'm going away. Yes! Holy crap. I told you, man, it was there, it was there! So, what do we do now? We turn it off.